In this video, I am going to make this amazing artwork. This is Lippan art, a traditional Indian mural decoration that's not only visually stunning but also deeply rooted in our cultural heritage. So join me in this artistic journey. Let's explore techniques and creative process behind this art form. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Essential material required for Lippan art are MDF board. I took this board of 20 inches diameter. Pencil to draw design on board. Glue to stick mirrors and clay. Clay. Here I took Fevicryl molded clay. Cutter or sculpting tools. Attractive chalk paints or acrylic colors. Mirrors of different shapes and sizes. I divided this process into 4 parts, that is, preparing the surface, applying clay, coloring, and applying mirrors. So first thing first, let's prepare the surface. To draw circle, we need to know center of board. Although I showed this technique in the last video, but if you miss it, here's the easy way to do it. Draw the outline of board on paper and cut it. Now fold it like this. And you will get center. Also with the same paper, I mark 90 and 45 degrees. I drawn some circle design using compass. To draw bigger circles, I use hacksaw blade. I held the pencil between the teeth of blade and drawn circles. Now draw some unique designs. Traditional Lippan art often involves freehand designs. I wanted to make it look traditional, so I tried some floral design. I took help of the reference lines to draw symmetric designs. You can even use stencils to make specific patterns. To draw semicircles, I use this geometric protractor. With completion of drawing, first part is over. Now let's move to second part, that is applying clay. I stick plastic bag onto sunboard to mold clay. I am using Fevicryl clay for this process. All these material links I will provide in the description. Inside each pouch you will find resin and hardener part. Mix it together until they turn into one color dough. I took small portion of clay mixture and rolled it into thin rope. Applied glue on the design. and carefully place the clay rope on glue. Use sculpting tools to adjust the position of rope. If you don't have these tools, you can even use small stick or toothpick to adjust and cutter to cut the rope. All this time I made only one small rope and kept remaining clay as it is, and soon it became hard. I tried rolling it, but it started to break when I tried to bend. So here's the tip number 1. Don't mix whole pouch at a time. Instead cut small and equal quantity and mix. I had cut each pouch in 3 parts and mixed. Also sprinkle some talcum powder so that clay won't stick to plastic. As the clay ropes take shape, I tried some patterns on the clay. I made clay ropes, but their size were not uniform. Some of them used to break while rolling. Then I found this technique, and probably the second tip. Use small wooden plank or any flat material to roll like this. Believe me guys, you will get way better result and consistency than doing with hand. I made this outer circle rope little bigger. Here I tried some round pattern using pen without refill. You can use such props to make design more interesting. With that, my second part of applying clay is complete. Now let's move to third part, that is coloring. Since the board is dark, I will paint this entire board with white chalk paint. You can even directly paint over this, but painting white will provide uniform base and also colors will pop out on it, giving bright finish. I applied 2 coats of white. Now it's time for some vibrant colors. Carefully paint inside the clay outline. I applied some contrasting colors for this design. You can try different color combinations here. These are chalk paints. Chalk paints are acrylic colors with matte finish. I wanted raw muddy look, so I opted for chalk paints. Lippan art, also known as mud and mirror work, is traditional Indian art form originating from Kutch region of Gujarat. Vibrant color in Lippan art creates visually stunning artwork that captures attention and gives sense of energy and joy. So do try creating this art form. After coloring entire board, do the touch up with white paint wherever correction is required. With this, our third part is over, and now it's time for fourth and final part of applying mirrors. Apply glue and stick mirrors. Use of different mirrors and their pattern bring uniqueness into Lippan art. Each mirror with different shape, size and design contribute to the overall artwork. From traditional square and round mirrors to different floral pattern, every mirror adds its own charm and character to the Lippan art. Once done sticking, wipe the mirror with wet cloth to remove any stains or fingerprints. With this, our Lippan art masterpiece is ready. Do let me know how it looks. I hope you feel inspired enough to create your own Lippan art and discover your joy of creativity. Thank you for joining me. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative content. Comment for engagement. Until we meet next time, be creative and keep creating. Peace.